Question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating, non-recurring. Here I have to write the 3 numbers which are having non-terminating, non-recurring pattern, decimal expansion. So we can write it here, non-terminating. So 0.71235 goes on like that. Yes. One more number, any number you can write which should have non-terminating, non-recurring form. See, any number. 1, 7, goes on like that. Another one, any number. Yes, any 3 numbers you have to write which have non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion pattern. That's all. Question number 8. Find 3 different irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. See, between these two rational numbers, I am going to write any 3 irrational numbers. Okay. Irrational number means which are having non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion form. So we can write it here. See, 5 by 7. First I have to find out the decimal form of 5 by 7. Find out how many times it will go. 0.77 is 49 and 1 is remainder. So keep how many times it will go. 7, only 1 time. So 3 is your remainder. Keep 0. How many times it will go? 4 times. 2 is remainder, that is 20. Then we can tell that 2 times it go 14. And what is the remainder here? 6. Then keep 0. This is 60. Then 8 times. So what is your remainder? 4. Then 40. Then 5 times it will go. This is 35. And what is the remainder? 5. Same number is repeated. That's why I have to stop it and put the bar here on the quotient place. So 5 by 7 has non-terminating but recurring decimal expansion, that is 0.714285 bar. The another one I am going to find out, that is for 9 by 11. For 9 by 11, divide it, add 0, keep the point here. How many times it will go? 8 times, 88. So 2 is the remainder. This is what? 20. How many times it will go? Only 1 time. So this is what? 9. The same number is repeated. That's why stop it and keep the bar here. So 9 upon 11 equal to 0.81 bar. This is also having non-terminating but recurring decimal expansion. What I have to write? What is my question? Write any 3 irrational number which should lie between these 2 rational numbers. So write the answer here at last. I want to write irrational number. Irrational number means non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion number. So write it here. It should be lies between these 2 numbers. That is what? 0.714285 bar and 0.81 bar. Between that, whatever numbers you can write. You can write it now. This is 72853 dot dot dot. We can write it. Another one we can write 73853 or 1 2 dot dot dot. Any number you can write. That is your wish. Whatever number you want to write, you can. So this is your answer. Question number 9. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. The first one, root 23, second, root 225, third, 0.3796, fourth one, 7.478, then 478, fifth one, 1.10, 100, 100, 100, 140, like that going on. I have to identify which number is rational, which one is irrational. First of all, you should know that what is rational and irrational. We already seen rational number definition. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. And the second one, non-terminating but recurring numbers are called what? Rational numbers. Next one, terminating decimal expansion numbers are called what? Rational numbers. We already seen. What is irrational number definition? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion number are called irrational numbers. And one more thing, all the square root positive numbers except perfect square, then we can tell that all the numbers are irrational. See, look here, like root 2, root 3, like root 7, these are what? Irrational numbers. Except perfect square I have written. See, what is perfect square? Exactly, we can take out the root value. Then we can tell that it is what? Perfect square. Like root 4, we can tell that it is what? 2. Like root 9, we can take out the root 9 value. That is what? 3. That's why these are called what? Rational numbers. Okay. Here root 2, I can't able to find out the exact value of root 2. That's why we can tell that it is what? Irrational number. Let's move to the question. Square root of 23. 23 is prime number. So square root of 23, that is what? Irrational. We can't able to find out the exact value of it. Come for this one. Under root 225. This is what? 15. Square root of 225 is what? 15. That's why it is what number? Rational number. Come for this one. 0.3796. This is what? Terminating decimal expansion number. That's why it is called what? Rational. Okay. Come for this one. 7.478478. So this is what? 478 digits are repeating. That's why we can put the bar. 7.478 bar. This is what number? Non-terminating but recurring. Why I am telling recurring? Because a set of number is repeated. That's why this is non-terminating but recurring. Numbers are called what numbers? Rational numbers. We have already seen. Next one. Fifth question. 5.10, 100, 100, 100, 140, like that going on. See, 10, 100, 000, like that. No set of number is repeated here. That's why this is what? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion number. That's why it is called what? Irrational. Okay. Thank you.